sacrifices, bro. That's a fucking Nismo. That bitch is clean. Nah, that bitch is clean, bro. I don't know if you can see it in the mirror, but that bitch is clean. I need a Nismo. I need too many cars in my life. That's my problem, really. Is there a Fox body up there? Yeah, I have a problem, bro. I really do. Cars are an addiction. Just look at the lineup. You guys see it up there? See it right here? Nice little Dobo Miata. Yeah, the Nismo's back there. E46 is back there. Everybody. Oh, your shit's tinted down, my boy. You can't even see in your shit. Like that. Yes, sir. Bro, that color's crazy. What's this? What? What is that? Bro, is that a motorcycle engine on the back of this shit? Yo. What the fuck? Oh yeah, these motherfuckers go crazy. That's so clean. So fire. Then we got the i8. McLaren? What? Traffic. That man said i8 talk. M3? Nah, it's so fire. Especially the ones with the V8. Fox body, that Fox body is clean. You really don't come across clean Fox bodies. Well, he probably just polished this shit too. Clean. A90 Super? Let's see what we got here. Carbon fiber. LT1. M4. GTR. Slow GTR, sir, you're not slow. Supra. Now these headlights on the Supras are crazy. Oh my god. Oh, hold on, we need to see the Porsche. This shit's fire. ABS frames. Yo, this shit's so fire, bro. I'm just loving Porsches lately. Cobra? Nah, bro. I can't wait to build the EK. Sir, you're on the right side. Oh my god, bro. This is fucking clean. Bro, why are you in my shot? Bro, the Porsches is really growing on me. Grom gang. Everybody brought their Groms out. And we found Liam. Bow. This bitch is super clean. You need a wash, my boy?
Bro, you know what's crazy, bro? It just gets dirty so fast.
I see the white marks.
Yeah, bro. It gets dirty so fast. I don't know what to do.
It's alright, bro. Season's coming, you know, we'll detail this bitch right. GTS taillights on the M3.
I stopped looking at this bitch.
Bro, what? That's what happened? Bro, that's a crash.
Yeah, no shit.
Bro. How did this happen? god.
I gotta walk away from my car. What the fuck is that? Is that like goose shit?
It's better than a scratch.
Yeah, nah. Feel that, bitch.
We can get that off. Yeah, nah. Overall, bro, your shit's pretty minty. Just a little couple minor things. We just got PPF all this shit once we do like the.
I never even seen that.
Yeah, nah, I showed you last time that. Damn.
I don't even know what that's from.
Is this wrapped? Bro, these stripes are wrapped on. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I can peel them off now. Straight blue car.
That's pretty fire.
I can't wait to get this bitch wrapped.
100%, bro. 100%. Camo?
I think like maybe like a gray camo. Like a gray camo, but have like the blue accents everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah, nah, bro. I would never. I can't even wrap this bitch, bro. The paint's peeling off. Nah, bro. The paint's coming off. If I wrap it, bro, the paint's coming off with it.
Yeah. Keep wrapping over it.
I actually like this color. I just need to fix this fucking bumper and the hood.
Yeah,
That little gap.
Small shit.
Small shit, bro. Small shit. Yeah, I don't know why, but the boys keep pulling up, so we're about to head somewhere. Is that a GT500 behind me? Oh my god. Ah, I fucked up, bro. I'm on a bumpy ass part. His shit is so loud, bro. And it should stop. Bro, what? Yo, he makes me want to get a Hellcat. Oh, where are we going, bro? There's like a whole lineup. That is super. Oh my god. Where's everybody going? Bro, he's a menace. Bro, there's like a whole lineup. Yeah, nah, bro. Look at the kid recording everybody. Alright, meet's over, and I have like no gas, bro. I'm literally like on fumes right now. But yeah, nah. So we're gonna go get gas because I'm on like fumes, and I'm gonna head home after this. Honestly, it was a good day. I should have got more content, but it's okay. But I appreciate everybody for watching. Thank you guys for following. Thank you guys for watching the videos, liking, subscribing. I appreciate everything, honestly. Every time somebody likes it or watches, like, it gives me motivation to make more videos. I like making the videos for myself in the first place, but when you guys watch it, it gives me a bonus. So shout out to everybody that supports me. You guys are goats. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. And I'll hopefully drop another video next week. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Peace.